Hello you guys, welcome back. Another day, another video. Today we're gonna be switching it up a tiny bit because I don't know about you, but it's freezing out. And I wanted to tell you guys the products that I'm bringing in to 2024, my top and favorite hair products as somebody who did not always have shiny glossy. This is no blowout, guys. Shiny glossy, super thick hair. I did not always look like this up to my hips. Oh, exhibit A, wearing my pajamas. Yeah, snowman pajamas. Literally, it is that long. And I never thought that I could grow my hair this long. Yeah, I was like kind of thick, but trust me, it's made it to the next level, guys. And I also do it on a budget, and I'm not spending hours and hours on my hair. This is the Lazy Girl hack / tutorial. By the way, sorry for the little shower sound in the background. The first thing that I'm going to tell you guys, if you have thin hair or you want it to be thicker or you just want it to be less frizzy, is you need to invest yourself in one of these. This is a little shower hair scrubber thing. So what this does is when you're in the shower, as you're putting your shampoo onto your hair, you're going to scrub your scalp. You can literally get these anywhere. And you basically use this to scrub your scalp, scrub the shampoo and product in. First of all, you get a better wash on your hair. And second of all, it stimulates the blood flow to your scalp, which helps your hair be thick, stimulates growth. Everything is just super, super good for your hair. I definitely recommend if you don't have that and you want to have thicker hair, or you just are planning on growing your hair, you want hip length hair. Trust me, girl, you gotta get yourself one of those. The next thing is, let's get into hairbrushes. I have two hairbrushes that I think everybody needs to have. First of all, oh my god, this has so much hair in it, but it's okay. This is called a boar bristle brush. This is the type of brush, I actually don't like this one. If you have more fine hair and not curly hair, this one might be good for you, but it's not as strong as the other ones. So what this does is it can just tame frizz. So you can brush it through, it'll tame your frizz. But it also distributes oil evenly throughout your hair. So it's giving distributes oil evenly through your hair. So if you have problems with that, then I definitely recommend you get that. If you have oily hair, it'll make sure it goes from the roots to the ends. And if you have dry hair, I feel like it tames the frizz really well. And the next brush you need, I don't know if you guys knew this, my hairstylist sister told me this, but do you guys know about those hairbrushes with those little tiny balls on the top of them? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Those can cause breakage, especially if you brush your hair when it's wet. Obviously, there's different hair types. If you have curly and wavy hair, it's best for you to brush your hair when it's wet. So if you're brushing your hair when it's wet and you have a hairbrush with those little circle things on the top of it, you're causing breakage and you're causing split ends. So get yourself this is called a Denman brush. It's also called a wet brush, so you can brush your hair while it's wet. Also, some people use this end to curl their hair. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that, Gigi, my sister, who's a hairstylist, she can do a video maybe on my channel or hers showing, she's super good at it. She did curly hair as her specialty. But yeah, this is super good for brushing your hair because you don't want anything that can cause breakage like that, and you can use this in the shower. It's really good. It's called a Denman brush, and it's not even that overpriced or anything like that. The next thing is, guys, me personally, I don't like to use heat on my hair. I don't use heat on my hair a lot, and I don't recommend that you do, especially if you do want to grow your hair. So if you're not going to use heat on your hair, you need to sleep in protective styles and styles that look good after you shower. So in my opinion, braids, I'll just do one single braid or maybe two braids. And another thing you can do if you really want it to look pretty is get one of these heatless curling rods. This is on my Amazon storefront. You can find any one for like $20 though. So it comes with this little hair clip. And what you do is you basically clip it onto the top of your head like this. And you do it about an inch from your scalp. And then once you have them both on, you can split your hair in half, put it into a hair tie like this, like the side that you're not going to be working with. And then you go in. It's super easy. I'll literally show you guys a mini tutorial. Go in, grab your first little section. You go back. Then once you have that wrapped, you can grab another little section. And then you combine it with your first section and go back once again. And then around, and just do it a little bit tighter than you think you need to. And then we do the same thing. I'm going to grab more and add it to that section. Make sure it's separated. And go back and around. And you're just gonna keep doing that until you grab the last section. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna grab the rest of it. And then you wrap it all the way through and then secure it with your little silk thing. And you can sleep in this, or if it's, I recommend that if you're gonna use something like this, use it when it's like 90% dry. And then you do the other side and then take the clip off, and then you can just chill in it until it's fully dry. So use it when it's 90% dry or even completely dry. Then you'll get the best curls out of it. Or if you have a lot of time, I would say sleep in it. When you take it off, you just take the silk hair ties out and then slide it on up. And I think I used it in one of my videos, and you guys can already see it's like already kind of low-key curling it, like over 1 second of being in there. These are super good, and it's just good for your hair to be in silk. Also, if you I have silk pillowcases if you want, and you have a problem with breakage or frizz, get a silk pillowcase too. The next thing is, oh, this is just a little side note, but I think this is so cute. One of the hairstylists for one of my modeling jobs, look at this. This is my black hair tie. She got one that exactly color matches. She had like an array of like blonde, red, every single color hair tie, and she literally color matched my exact hair, which was so cute of her. But yeah, if you are gonna be using heat and you are like low maintenance like me, like I'm not about to, you know, do a full blow dry and then do the curling thing after, like that's just too much work. This is one of my favorite tools. It's like a little waving wand. And you know, I'm not good at like holding the blow dryer and holding the little brush rod. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like the fact that girls can do that, oh my God. It's crazy. It's literally crazy. I don't know how you guys can do that. I have a blow dryer and I have that. It's just difficult and it's hard. So this thing, I got this on Amazon. I believe it was like $60. And basically, you know, super easy to use. You just plug it in. It has a cold option too. So if you just want to dry your hair, you can do that. But the way I use it is I literally just flip my hair upside down when it's wet and dry it using that. It's like, that's like the easiest way to blow dry long hair. You literally flip your whole head upside down. I can show you guys how I do it if you want. And it just makes it look so much better and so much more put together. If you are gonna be using heat, you need to make sure you use a great heat protectant. This is a little bit pricey, but I swear it lasts you so long. Like I'm almost out. But this is Olaplex number 7. Hopefully that focused for you. And this protects, I believe it's like up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So it'll protect your hair. There's no way that you'll have any damage. Just make sure you put an even layer of this all the way throughout your hair. But I really love this. And it's just the number 7 bonding oil. Another Olaplex product that I really like, you don't use this like every single time you shower, but this is the number 8 Bond Intense Mask. And every single time after I use this, I feel like my hair is just so healthy, so thick, and it feels so strong. So I would recommend that to you. Like twice a week, you just leave it in, and you leave it in for like 10 to like an hour. Like after you shampoo, your hair is still damp. I kind of wring it out a little bit while I'm in the shower, put it in, do everything else you need to do, and keep it in for like 30 minutes to an hour, and then wash it out. And then speaking of shampoo and conditioner, this is my like all time, I'm almost out once again. But just to show you guys that I've used it, I've been through like 7 bottles of this stuff, and it's been recommended to me by a trichologist, which is a scalp doctor professional. The the Shea Moisture, if you need a budget shampoo and conditioner, oh my God, you don't even know. This is crazy that it's even this low of a price. I believe it's like $10 or something, $12. The Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Line. The shampoo, the conditioner, and I have the leave-in deep conditioner. That's how obsessed I am. It's so good. It's so amazing. For the price point, it's ridiculous how good it is. And a lot of people were saying like they changed their formula. They changed the ingredients and like the ratios for some of their other, like the curl enhancing smoothie one. Like I think it's like the red or it's like a pink line. I forgot what it's called. I think it's just the Shea Butter line. A lot of people are saying that they changed the formula for it. I think this one is still perfect. Like the consistency of the shampoo is actually more of like it's just more liquidy than other shampoos, and like it smells like candy. It smells amazing. The leave-in conditioner smells so good too. So that's my like favorite go-to shampoo and conditioner, and I swear the set is like $18. So like everything here is not that expensive. Like you literally, once you buy lots of these things, you never have to buy them again. Like the hair brushes, the boar bristle brush, and like the heatless curls, this little scrubber. Like you don't really have to, I mean, maybe you should switch it out like every couple years. But this is a super low budget-ish. And just like affordable, good. Also like for a lazy girl, like personally, somebody like me, I am not gonna spend 4 hours, and I don't even like going to a salon. Like personally, I have a stylist I like going to, but it's just like, I don't know, I just like to do everything at home. Like I just get into phases where I don't want anybody touching my hair, touching my like nails. And I also feel like especially maybe because I'm in like the modeling industry, sometimes when I have a lot of jobs back to back and people are using different products on my hair, I've had issues with my scalp before, and I've had breakouts and reactions on my eyes before. So a lot of the times I just want to do things at home and just do my own thing and not need to go to a salon. So if you want just a go-to reliable set, like these are my like, trust me, if you have hair like mine, like this is gonna be amazing for you. You can't go wrong. Lots of people have also been recommending me rosemary oil. So leave in the comments below if you heard about rosemary oil or if you use it at all or anything. But if you guys have any products that you want to recommend to me, I'm always looking for, you know, a new thing. I feel like I'm not really good at blow drying my hair, which is why the heatless curl thing is amazing. And this thing, any tutorials or any, like honestly, YouTubers that do stuff like that, I would love to hear about it. These are all my products, guys. If you enjoyed this video or you want to know where I bought any of these stuff, let me know in the comments. Make sure you don't forget to like, or if you don't like any of my recommendations, you can also dislike and subscribe, guys. But I'll see you tomorrow for another video. I hope you have a great day, and goodbye.